Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of homepage on the application of TikTok. Here we go to settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find the application of TikTok and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.